The Fall of the House of Usher, Terrain Assembly. Hello everyone. We are going to assemble the pieces that form the terrain of the house. They are these 4 pieces. In this one you can see the back staircase that goes up to the back door. The hill has been designed with rocks and cracks. The pieces are joined with open lock clips. This one has the way up to the front door, with many rocks and a stone wall. The 2 front pieces form the complete path. These pieces form the outside stairs down to the crypt. The back staircase has stones similar to those used in the crypt. We assemble the 4 pieces. Let's lay the floor of the crypt. It has the texture of the stone and several levels with stairs, and all the holes of the tombs. The piece fits in the hollow of the ground. Now we place the elevation of the crypt. They are the outer walls in stone, and they have some niches in their walls. It fits perfectly in the hollow of the crypt. All the open space of the crypt is already in place. At the outer entrance is the access door. It consists of a frame and the double piece of the door. This other one is already glued. We simply place it in the frame. We fold it and place it in its position. We can now assemble the base of the Usher house. It has many tall windows and part of the interior staircase. The crypt without interiors and the ground are already assembled. But there are still many pieces to place.